This was day 4 in the murder trial of Ian Mitcham. He's the man accused of killing Allison Feldman inside her Scottsdale home back in 2015.
And for years, detectives had no suspect until familial DNA, a first of its kind in Arizona, pointed them to Mitcham. 12 News journalist Tricia Hendricks is joining us now with the very latest on the trial. Tricia?
Hey guys, day 4 in the murder trial of Ian Mitcham continued with testimony from a Scottsdale police crime scene investigator. And that testimony was followed by a lieutenant with Scottsdale police who worked as a detective on the violent crimes unit back in 2015 when all of this unfolded. Many of the details surrounding their investigation were so graphic, they're hard to hear. In court today, a crime scene investigator walked jurors through the photos that she took after Feldman was killed, as well as pictures that she captured of Mitcham's home and his vehicle at his home 3 years later. A Scottsdale police lieutenant who worked the case as a detective on the violent crimes unit in 2015 also took this stand. He recalled the day he responded to this scene after Allison's boyfriend Alex found her and called 911. The lieutenant shared what stood out to him as they collected evidence at her home, including a white substance on all the knobs in her bedroom. And not just in her bedroom, but in numerous places all throughout her home, as well as on the doors of her car and the garage. Investigators have consistently said the crime scene smelled strongly of chlorine and bleach. He also told jurors what he observed leading from the Arcadia sliding door through Feldman's home down the hallway.
There was this blood pattern that was a transfer pattern of movement of blood that kind of snaked its way or its way through the dining room area down to the hallway, leading up to where Allison was found lying on her back in the hallway.
That lieutenant told jurors investigators mapped out 26 areas of forensic evidence value. That was during those initial stages of the investigation at Feldman's home. Clearly a gruesome and complex crime scene. When court wrapped up for the day, the judge said the trial will take a break for the next couple of weeks. They'll reconvene on December 8th. Tricia Hendricks, 12 News.
All right, Tricia, thank you.